Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Spotify deactivate account. To know how to fix or how to solve Spotify deactivate account, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this list you will go to the window of Spotify. Then this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, and when you will end all these steps, then you can go to Play Store to update your application there. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.